everyone, today we are going to see how to disable the server version disclosure on the Apache server. We are going to use proxy tool like burp suite to intercept the request. Let us go to the Ubuntu machine and check the IP address. Let's begin by using nmap to check if port 443 is open. As our scan indicates, the port is indeed open, and the service version is revealed as Apache 2.4.41. Next, navigate to your browser and intentionally trigger an error on the Apache server webpage. Upon doing so, it becomes evident that the server version being used is Apache 2.4.41. Moving forward, use burp suite to capture the request and subsequently examine the response. Through this process, it becomes evident that the server version is disclosed in the response header, that is Apache 2.4.41. Let's see how to disable server version disclosure. Go to the Ubuntu machine and open the configuration file of the Apache server with sudo or root privilege. We have to add server token prod in the configuration file of the Apache server, which is located at /etc/apache to/confidable/security.conf. Let us save the file and restart the Apache service. Now we will check the server version disclosure with nmap. Browser and burp suite. As you can see, the service version is disclosed. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more cybersecurity related videos.